Grand Teton National Park. Tourists. Beautiful. Lots of smoke though. Got a moose. Somewhere. There he is. Oh, that's a bear. It's a bear. He's checking us out. That's a bear. First bear of the trip. Yellowstone, baby. Having fun, dude. Nice. Cool. So I don't know if you could see this up on the road, but there's some bison in the road and a bunch of cars stopped to watch. The bison don't seem to be that agitated though. They seem like they're just crossing the road, no big deal. Hopefully we don't see a tourist get gored here. So that one got out of the road finally. He just was standing there. And don't stop, guys, okay? Don't stop. Not comfortable with you stopping. Well, you never seen a bison before? Well, not very many times. 2 or 3 times. Oh, that's a big one. Holy crap. Buffalo. Bison, actually. Up there at Beartooth Pass. Seeing some snow. Getting colder. Says 55 degrees. We're kind of taking it easy here because there could be a lot of sand on the road. So, kind of taking it easy. This is it. This is the peak, I think, of Beartooth Pass. Very cool. Tiger's doing really well. It's kind of funny. I've ridden it at almost 2,000 miles, and then just yesterday I started fiddling with the modes. I was in road mode the whole time, thinking, you know, I'm not in dirt, you know, I'm in road, and it's not rain, so it's road, right? Well, I saw the sport mode, and I'm like, well, gosh, I haven't checked that one yet. So I clicked it over to sport, and wow, big difference. It's almost like in road mode, they give you like maybe 75% of the power available, and then sport they give you all. So I've been running in sport ever since, and it is amazing. Even in road, you know, compared to my 990, I'm like, well, you know, it's okay. You know, it's 900 cc's, and you know, it's a little zippier than the 990, but man, put it in sport, and it's almost like GS territory. So really liking the sport mode. And I've got the heated grips on now, and I also have the heated seat on, and I've never experienced a heated seat before. It's really nice. Feels great. I'm wondering if it's almost I'll have to look this up, if it's temperature dependent, because I had it on before and I couldn't feel it. It's probably because it wasn't cold enough. I'm wondering if it warms up. It gets warmer the colder it gets, and it's 53 now. So maybe that's why I feel it now, and I didn't really feel it before. It just wasn't cold enough yet. I don't know. I'll check it out. geyser on the GSA. Going down JOCKO Canyon Road. Really nice Starbucks grade dirt road. Here in Glacier National Park. This doesn't suck at all. Just amazing. This whole thing was carved by glaciers. So big U-shaped valleys, all the way, ice all the way to the top. Thousands of feet thick. Got a honk in the tunnel. This view is just amazing. Bam! Look at that.